What's up, course heroes? Welcome to yet another video. This is your host Amit. Today we are talking about Jasper Chrome extension. Let's get started. So today we are going to try Jasper on 3 different applications. First, I'm going to try to get the Jasper Chrome extension to write a cold email. Then the second one is creating a new blog post, and then third one would be a social post. I'm in my email account and I want to send a cold email. So I already have the Chrome extension installed. If you don't have the Chrome extension installed, I'll put a link in the description. Get that installed. Of course, you need a Jasper account to do anything in here, but let's go ahead and compose a new email, and you will see right away Chrome extension is highlighted here. So here again, you can type a command or you can just go right into templates. So I'm going to go right into templates and let's just search for one for email subject lines here. And I'm saying my product here is Miles Lemonade and funny tone of voice. And then what is my email about? It's a cold email about trying out Miles Lemonade for corporate offices. So let's hit generate. And the first step it's going to do is generate the email subject line because that's the template we have chosen here. You can either highlight and copy, you can open in documents. This wasn't working for me. I'm getting an error saying that I should be in boss mode, which I already have. So I'm not sure, but I can also click here to copy and then just go back in my subject line and paste that. Now, same thing with the content or the body of the email. I'm going to search for personalized cold email, tell Jasper what this is about and what the product name is and anything to include for context. And I'm going to say that, hey, I met you at your office today, so thank you for that, and hit generate. And this part, of course, we are all used to. If you have used Jasper before, this is nothing new. So we still have the same funny AI assistant helping us out. I'm just going to copy this. You can close it out after copying it and then paste it here. Now let's see how you can write a blog post in your favorite blogging tool using Jasper. So I'm in my WordPress dashboard here, and you can see I already have my blog title. Now I want Jasper to write about this, or when I put my cursor into the type box where I'm going to write the body of the blog post, you can see that the Jasper Chrome extension is here. Same concept. This time I am going to choose one shot blog. It already has my blog topic, the tone of voice, and any intended audiences, and I'm going to hit generate. All right, so I have my blog post. Now I can, same concept here, copy this, close it out. So you can hit the X button here. You can also hit settings and enable/disable Jasper, and then give your feedback, sign out, etc. So I'm going to close this and paste that blog here. And there you have it. Jasper, as usual, has spun up the content and now, of course, proofread, and I can publish after adding some images. So I am in my Facebook account, one of these Facebook groups that I own. And here, when I open Jasper, I can just search the templates. So this time I'm going to say, ask engaging questions. And my topic is, does anyone use AI to generate copy? My audience is course creators, and my tone of voice is going to be Joe Rogan. Again, all this, the generation of the copy is something that we are all used to. Let's just pick this one and you can go paste that and close this out. And that was the third way you can use the Jasper Chrome extension. And there you have it, course heroes. That is how you can use Jasper Chrome extension. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you get notified next time I release a video. Until next time, keep creating.